Hi, good morning everyone. So today's video I'm going to be looking at the Looking Up card kit that's in our new June 2020 Stampin' Up annual catalogue. Now this is a complete kit. It makes 15 cards, 3 each of 5 designs. There's an included stamp set. There is a mini ink spot and a block, and there's also adhesive in the kit. So looking at this on first glance, it doesn't look as though you'd need anything at all other than what's in this kit. The stamp set is happy birthday. I hear congratulations are in order. Feel better soon. I'm so very thankful for you. Thank you so much. So a nice generic set of stamps as well. And I love the colours of this. So just quickly, for anybody that is new to Stampin' Up, or if you know Stampin' Up products, if you've bought Stampin' Up products from me, you'll know that we work in colour families. And we have 10 colours in each colour family. So we have neutrals, subtles, brights and regals, and there's within those colour families are 10 colours. So the colourway in this kit is basic black, Bermuda Bay, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Petal Pink, Pool Party and white. And this is mine. This is how it comes. I've not opened it. I've literally just sat down. I've got a cup of coffee and I thought I'd open it and go through it and see what's in it. I've never had a card kit from Stampin' Up before. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll know that I recently bought the Boho Indigo product Medley, which is, you know, another kit, but that didn't make specific cards. That was, you know, paper, embellishments, die cuts, all that kind of thing. This thing actually makes finished card projects, I believe. So you've got a nice craft style box. So it's a good substantial box. So you could use this to gift something, you know, once you've made the kit up, or you could just gift the kit as it is, or make the cards up and give them in the box as a gift to somebody. So a Bermuda Bay ink spot, photopolymer stamp set, which you're probably not going to be able to see too good here. Let me just bring this box back in and might be able to see it a bit better. So good size stamps. There's a couple of little embellishments as well that I didn't spot in the catalogue. But photopolymer's great because obviously you can see where you're stamping them and you get the stamp block included. So let's just open this up and see what we've got. So a nice solid block for your stamps. You've got dimensionals, 2 sheets of dimensionals. These look like our full size dimensionals. Envelopes, this is all the Bermuda Bay, and these all appear to be, so they've got a lining colour inside them. So there's 4 with the balloon and the tag shape and the stripes, 4 with another tag shape and a different colour inside. These are lovely and they're really good quality. So they've all got the label area on the front where you can write the address. and then they're all lined with a different pattern inside. So there are the envelopes. So I think it said 15, didn't it? So I'm assuming there's 15 there. And then these are the cards. So let's have a look at these. So 3 with the aeroplane, all pre-scored ready for you. So these are all the colours that I said were within the kit. So the Daffodil Delight, Bermuda Bay, black and white, Granny Apple Green. So 3 of those. 3 of this design. 3 of this design with like the kind of, what do you call it? Like a, no, it's not a landscape, is it? Like a building scene. 3 with the balloons, which I think is lovely. And then 3 with the label. So that's the cards and the envelopes. And what are these? Oh, these are, oh, die cut sheets. Okay. So die cut sheets with the balloons, the palm trees and the aeroplane. Are they all the same? So 1, 2, yeah, so 3 sheets of die cut shapes. Oh, these look like some kind of peel off stickers. These look nice. So that's like a coppery colour. So 3 sheets of stickers. And then a sheet of die cut circles and tags and banners. They're nice. They're the adhesive, so that's like our glue dots, only on a sheet. That's just the board it comes on to protect it. And then a leaflet all-inclusive kit, looking up card kit, and then it just shows you here what you've got. So the envelopes, the 5 different designs of the cards, shows you some finished examples. This is really lovely, actually. As I say, I've never done a Stampin' Up! Complete kit before, and it's in English and French and German. Set of 7 photopolymer stamps, it says, clear block, Bermuda Bay classic ink spot, 15 printed card bases, 15 printed envelopes, printed die cut images, copper foil stickers, stamping dimensionals and adhesive dots. So everything help you put the kit together. And then just looking at it here, it also says there's a video about the kit on YouTube. So if you visit youtube.com/stampinup, it looks as though by the sounds of it, there might be some kind of video on the kit. I don't know whether that's going to show you just the kit or whether it's going to give you, you know, examples. I've not looked. As I say, this is the first time I'm opening this directly now while I'm recording, and I've not done a card kit before from Stampin' Up. So I think what I'll do, I'll just start unpacking the pieces and I'll see what we can make. So I'll just put everything out of the way for now. So I'll start with the first one. So I need the card with the buildings. I need one of the die cut shapes. Oh, I need one of these stickers by the look of it, and I think that's it for this one. So I've got the card, the die cut, the copper sticker. I need the ink spot, the block. This one's using Thanks So Much. So I'll just pop that down, try and get that straight, and then pick it up on my block so that one's ready. And let's see. This is just simple 1, 2, 3 by the look of it. So it's showing me in the diagram that I need this one here, which obviously is going to go with this die cut shape. So I need to peel this off here. So it just comes off like a big sticker. And then looking at the diagram, it's going over the black section of the card. And because this is going to go on top of it with the greeting on, I'm presuming this needs to be fairly straight. So we'll just go for it. Doesn't have to be perfect, does it? I'm gonna put that on, but that's the beauty of these kits, because they kind of make it perfect for you. So that's gonna go on there, and then I just need the greeting. So this really is simple stuff. I'm going to bring in my pierce mat just to give me a bit of cushioning, because photopolymer doesn't have any inbuilt cushioning. So that's open now. I think I'll leave that on like a little hinge. So I'm just going to ink up with the Bermuda Bay, and because this is a brand new stamp, I'm actually going to stamp just on some scrap first, because I find, especially with photopolymer, they need a little bit of easing in. They tend to have a coating on them. So I'm just going to stamp it a few times on the scrap, and the ink's going on the stamp better now. I can see that. So I'm just going to go for it. So this is my shape, and I'm just going to, it looks as though it's just literally going straight down in the middle. I'm just going to hold and lightly press. Give that stamp a wipe. Put the ink out of the way before I get more on me. So there is my first one. So that one goes on there. So I think I'm going to layer that one up with dimensionals, and these come within the kit. So put a couple of dimensionals on it. I think looking at this, you get more than enough dimensionals and adhesive dots than you'd probably need. And that's just going to sit on there by the look of it. And that looks as though it's card one complete. I mean, how simple is that? So then they're already pre-scored. I'm just going to fold this over and burnish the fold line. And that's card one complete. Obviously you could stamp inside if you wanted to. You could add, you know, a piece of coloured paper in here if you wanted to, so people could write on it, you know, write on the insert. But that's one card ready, and obviously there'd be an envelope to go with it. So that's card one and an envelope. And it's lovely that these are already stamped for you, so you don't have to do the decorating yourself. So that's card one. And then I think I'll do another one. And obviously, if you've got Stampin' Up supplies and you've got other die cuts and things like that, you could, you know, add in other elements. I mean, like, I could use the leaves out of the boho indigo and tuck those behind if I wanted to add a bit more dimension. You know, the possibilities are endless, but just doing it in its simplest form, this is how we're looking. So I want the one with the balloons. I need a tag, which is on here. And then this time, the happy birthday. And these are lovely fonts as well. The fonts are great. Let's get the happy birthday. So I'm just going to position it roughly on the tag where I think it's going to go, and then I'll pick it up with the block and hopefully it will be fairly straight. So again, I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Paste mat. I'm just sticking with the colour that's in the kit, not using anything other than what's in the kit. And Bermuda Bay is one of those ink colours that, you know, I always think like real red, night of navy, and this looks the same. It's one of those ink colours that, you know, you just get stained with. So you just, if you're a messy stamper like me, you're a cert for being covered in ink. So I'm just going to put that out of the way, move that out of the way. So there's that one. And this couldn't be simpler because this basically is all it is. It's the card and the greeting. So again, I'm just going to fold it in half. They're already pre-scored, as I say. Just going to give it a nice firm press with the folder and pop this up on dimensionals. But like I say, you know, if you're a brand new crafter, this would be a brilliant kit because everything is in here. You don't need anything else. You've got the ink colour, you've got a block, you've got the 3D foam, you've got the adhesive dots, you've got the stamp set that you can use once all these cards are gone. You've got absolutely everything. You don't need anything at all. And because all the die cuts are all pre-cut for you, you don't even need scissors. So there's another card complete with its envelope. And this would be a great gift for somebody that is a crafter, or if you've got somebody in your family that wants to get into craft but doesn't know where to start, this is a brilliant kit. These cards are being made in minutes. And you know, anybody that you send these cards to would think that this has been shop bought. This looks like a shop bought card with a, you know, matching envelope. So it's instant gratification for you. It would give a new crafter the encouragement to want to carry on. And then you've got the box at the end of it all that you can use, you know, to keep your supplies in. If you are a new crafter, you know, keep your stamp kit and you'll have adhesive left over. You've still got your block and your ink pad. Keep it all in your little box, and then that's your little like crafting toolbox to set you off. So that's the kit, all-inclusive card kit. One card and another card, just made in a few minutes. If you do want to buy any of the Stampin' Up supplies from me, it is available, as I say, in my online shop at www.applelover53.stampinup.net. Excuse me. And the item number is 149651. Alternatively, go to my website, applelover53.co.uk, and just click on the Stampin' Up tab and then follow the Shop Now button and either look for the Looking Up card kit or put in the number 149651, and I would be very happy to have you custom. I hope you like this quick video showing you a quick look at the kit, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.